In this video, I am going to show you how to download Microsoft Office for free in 2025. This method is straightforward but requires careful attention to each step. Let's dive right in. To begin, right-click anywhere on your desktop screen and select New Folder. Name this folder Office 2024. This folder will hold all the necessary setup files and configurations. Make sure you remember where it's saved, as we will use it multiple times during the process. Open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft Deployment Tool. Hit enter and click on the first website that appears. On the download page, select your preferred language and proceed to download the tool. Once the download is complete, locate the setup file in your downloads folder. Right-click on the setup file and choose Run as Administrator. Tick the checkbox to agree to terms and then click Continue. In the window that appears, select the Office 2024 folder you created earlier. Click on OK to proceed. After completing this step, you will see two new files appear inside the folder. These files are crucial for further process. Return to your browser and search for Office Customization tool. Click on the first website in the search result to access the tool. On the home page, you will see a set of options to configure your Office installation. First, select your operating system. Most modern computers use 64, so select that option. Scroll down to the Office Suite section. Here, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. Keep the other default setting unless you want specific customizations. Click on Next. Scroll to the Update Channel section. Select the latest version available to ensure you get all the newest features and updates. In the Apps section, choose the specific Office tools you need, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. You can skip app you don't require to save space. Now, click on Next to proceed. In the language section, select English or any other language of your choice. If needed, you can add multiple languages for additional support. Once done, click Next. In the installation section, review the setting and click Next. Under the Update and Upgrade section, toggle off the option that says uninstall any MSI version of Office, include VCO and project. This step is important to prevent the uninstallation of any existing Office tool you might want to keep. Click Next to the proceed. In the licensing and activation section, select KMS as the activation method. This is a critical step to ensure it is done correctly. After confirming, scroll down and click Next again. Once all configurations are completed, click the Export button on the right hand side of the page. In the Export menu, choose the second option, Office Open XML Formats. Accept the terms and conditions, then export the file. Locate the exported file in your Downloads folder. Use Ctrl+X to cut the file. Go to the Office 2024 folder on your desktop and paste the file there using Ctrl+V. Delete the default configuration file already present in the folder to avoid any conflicts. Cut the entire Office 2024 folder from your desktop. Navigate to the C drive on your computer and paste the folder there. Right-click on the Office 2024 folder in your PC's C drive and copy its file path. Go to your Windows search bar, type command prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type cd followed by a space, then paste the file path you copied earlier. Press enter to navigate to the folder in command prompt. Open your browser again and search for Deployed Office 2024. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Scroll down little until you find the section titled Installed Office LTSC 2024. Copy the provided command text from this section. Go back to the command prompt, paste the command and press enter. Since I have already installed Microsoft Office using this method, I cannot rerun the installation. However, if you follow the steps precisely, and perfectly. The process will complete without any issue. Once the installation is finished, you will have access to various office tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy free MS Office and thanks for watching.